So it's time to do a little work on our garden here, and as you can see, some of our posts have seen better days. Now all these particular posts that are here are from a giant beech tree that grew right there where that blueberry bush is planted. It was a monster. It got dropped right here, brought the sawmill over, milled it up, and used the posts right here from it. So the tree to the final product only moved like 10 feet. It's kind of unique and odd. Anyway, that was a good 15 years ago, and several of them have rotted away. So what I did when I did this garden, you can see here, there's a cinder block. Okay, now I did those in all the corners, everywhere that there's a post, there's cinder blocks. But it's not just one. I took this post out. It's time to change it, and let's see if we can get down in there and see what we're actually looking at. But there's 3 cinder blocks going down in there. And I have one stacked this direction, another stacked this direction, and then another one would be stacked going this way, out that way, or out that way, depending on where it is in the corner. And then it was all backfilled with dirt. I dug it out with a backhoe. This is going on a long time ago now, 25 years ago. So now whenever they rot, all I have to do is just pull the post and drop a new one right down in there. So it makes it nice and easy to at least change posts. And the reason I do that is because none of these are treated posts. I didn't really want any chemicals leaching into my soil. So cinder blocks, concrete block, and raw posts. I did paint some of them. As you can see, this white one, I mean, held up pretty well, I guess. I wouldn't say it held up any better than stuff that didn't get painted, because this was never touched at all, and this sat across the top of them, and it still held up pretty well. So just figured I'd share that with you, my little trick on how to set up your garden posts. Keeps it easy. And well, now I gotta staple all these fences back up and fix my grapevines. Poor things, they need to be hacked and attacked.